The news broke this morning. The United States and Israel launched Operation Epic Fury against Iran. Oil prices surged more than 12% in a single session. Markets sold off, the VIX spiked 18%, and gold is pushing toward $5,400 an ounce. The Strait of Hormuz, which handles roughly a third of the world's seaborne oil, saw tanker traffic grind to a halt. Most investors are panicking right now, watching their screens flash red. But if you have a systematic income strategy built on cash flow, this kind of event is exactly what your system was designed for. You are not reacting to the news, you are following your rules. When geopolitical shocks hit, most investors do one of two things. They either panic sell at the worst possible moment, or they freeze and watch their portfolios bleed. Both responses are emotional, not systematic. The S&P 500 dropped 2.5% on Tuesday. Travel stocks like United Airlines and Marriott fell 5 to 6%, while energy stocks surged, with the XLE fund up 27% year-to-date. Retail investors poured a record $49 million into the energy ETF in a single session. In other words, most people are chasing the move after it already happened. If your entire wealth strategy depends on predicting what happens next in the Middle East, you do not have a strategy, you have a guess. Here is how a cash flow investor handles this. First, volatility is income fuel, not a threat. When the VIX spikes, option premiums expand. A covered call seller generating systematic income actually earns more during periods of fear. Higher implied volatility means richer premiums on the calls you are already selling. While everyone else is panicking, your income engine is running hotter. Fear is your friend. Second, the system removes the decision. You do not need to decide whether to buy the dip or sell energy. Your rules are set. Strike selection and position sizing were determined before the headlines hit. A $1 million portfolio generating 3 to 4% monthly income means $30,000 to $40,000 a month in cash flow. That is consistent income regardless of where oil prices go. Third, the hedge is built in. In-the-money covered calls provide a natural downside buffer. You have already collected premium, so when the S&P drops, your effective loss is significantly cushioned. Geopolitical crises will always happen. Oil shocks, wars, and pandemics are not anomalies. They are features of the market. The question is whether your portfolio is designed to generate income through them. Even Steve Eisman of The Big Short mentioned he would not change a single trade because of the Iran conflict. That is the mindset of someone who has a system, not a guess. I have been through multiple oil crises and market panics over 45 years. The investors who come out ahead are those whose systems kept generating income while everyone else was reacting. That is what a cash flow machine is built to do. If this kind of thinking resonates with your wealth strategy, consider subscribing. I share these perspectives every week. Trade well.
Hey everybody, just a quick thing to tell you about our Wealth Accelerator Live event in Arizona, just outside of the Phoenix area, April 17th through the 19th. It's called the Wealth Accelerator Live Strategy Room. And this is where we're going to have kind of an intimate event, not one of my bigger events. It's a small event where we're going to have high value conversations with like-minded people. You're going to be networking there, going really deep on strategies about income. And we're going to be really delving into stocks, reading charts, and I'll give you a breakdown of the stocks that I think are going to do well in the last half of 2026. So you don't want to miss it. Hotel rooms are already going pretty quick. There's a link at the bottom here. Again, it's called the Wealth Accelerator Live Strategy Room. Love to have you there. It looks like a pretty cool venue. If you could take a look at that, it's got, you know, a big old pool and an 18-hole championship golf course. So if you want to come early, stay late, I'm going to do that. So it'd be great to see you there, meet you face to face. Check on the link below, and then you'll have to call the hotel and get your hotel rooms because they're going fast. Anyway, just wanted to bring that up. Love to see you there, but get your tickets now because it's going to sell out. It's not many seats. Take care. Bye.